Hey guys! In today's video, I will show you how to receive a 20% discount on Binance, trading fees and various bonus rewards by using a referral code. First, for those of you who only need the referral code, I will tell you right away. The referral code is BB333. If you sign up using this referral code, you will receive up to a lifetime 20% discount on Binance trading fees and a $600 welcome bonus, so please make sure to enter BB333 when signing up. First, I will explain how to sign up for Binance. In order to apply the referral code, please install the Binance app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, please launch the app. To begin signing up, please tap the sign up button here. For the ID, you can enter either your email address or phone number. After checking the agreement below, please tap continue. Please proceed with email or phone number verification. Next, please enter your password. The password must be at least 8 characters long, and include a combination of at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and number. Once the sign-up is complete, the Inviter registration screen will appear. At this stage, you must tap the Yes button. Then, the referral ID input field will appear, and you must enter BB333 here. Only then will you be able to receive the 20% discount on Binance, trading fees and the bonus rewards. Next, please proceed with KYC verification. You must complete KYC verification in order to use Binance deposits, withdrawals, trading, and receive bonus rewards. First, please select your nationality. Next, proceed with identity verification. Please choose one of the identification documents listed below. Then, tap Take Pictures. Now, align your ID within the camera frame and scan it. Next, proceed with facial verification. Align your face within the camera frame, nod your head, and blink your eyes. At this point, the KYC verification steps are complete. And once the review is completed within 1 hour, the KYC verification will be successfully approved. Now, I will explain how to receive the bonus rewards. On the Binance home screen, please tap the Binance icon in the top left corner. Then tap Rewards Hub. There, you can check all the welcome rewards available on Binance. You can receive rewards by completing simple missions such as your first deposit, reaching a specific trading volume, and using platform features. Once again, use the referral code BB333 to receive up to a 20% discount on trading fees and all bonus rewards. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe and like the video. I will be back next time with an even better video.